According to the Kazakh news agency Ayman Umarova, lawyer for the Uyghur human rights activist Sarekcan, was persecuted by unknown people. Her client Sarekcan is known for his dedication to East Turkestan, who has brought evidence of China's crimes to the world. Therefore, lawyer Umarova feels insecure. Previously, Sarekcan was forced by Chinese officials to make a false statement that was recorded and then published. China's defense minister Wei Fang and the Saudi Prince Salman agreed on closer military cooperation between their two states. Previously, Fang also visited Egypt due to military negotiations. After Donald Trump officially recognized Israel's prerogative over the Golan Heights, the question arises as to whether this legitimacy was influenced by the will of a US-Israeli oil company. The group is said to own sources for drilling in this region. The Israeli lobby is receiving great support from the American president. The US has been criticized by the head of the Information and Press Department of the Russian Federation, Maria Zakharova, who accuses the United States of double standards for the legitimacy of the Golan Heights. Because the American politics argues for Israel's claim on that region, one must also recognize the Crimea as a Russian protectorate, so Zakharova. The State Department approves the sale of 25 F-16 multi-purpose combat aircrafts worth $3.787 billion to Morocco. The 23 F-16 aircrafts that Morocco already owns are to be subjected a configuration that is worth $985 million. The US justifies these sales with security interests as Morocco is an economic power and political guarantee of stability in North Africa.